thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin bouncing, weekly chart concerning. This is a key level, 43,300 key level for Bitcoin. We want to see the weekly candle close coming actually tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. We want to see the weekly candle close above 43,300. You don't want to lose this key level. You already have a lower low, or this is a low, this is a lower low. So this is not amazing for the bulls. If you get a bounce here and you get a move up here, if this next high is not higher than the previous high, like this will give you a confirmed downtrend and potentially think about closing some of your positions based on this idea. This is the Bitcoin 30-minute chart. We talked about this pullback we could see the other day, posted on Twitter, right? And then we talked about the bounce. Let's get this bounce right here. Look at this perfect breakdown, falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks higher. I said, hey, you do not want to see a lower high. You want to see a higher high, right? Banging. Here you go. Bang, bang. Now, lower high. The question is, you can zoom in to these lower term time frames and you can nail these smaller patterns. You go to the big patterns, you find smaller patterns, and your success rate increases exponentially. Like, you have to learn how to do this. It will change your life forever, period. The bottom line here is you don't want to see this be the high of this move, right? You want to see it up here. If this is the high or in this area, anywhere below here, right, you'd potentially be building some type of falling wedge, which, I mean, would be bullish later, 68% chance it breaks out later, but you're going to have a downtrend, right? So short-term downside. I mean, you come down here, there's a ton of support in this area, you know, so you get some type of double bottom or bounce there, potentially for moves higher. But again, if it slowly trends lower, this has been watching paint dry, it's been chop city, it's been hard to trade. Bitcoin, we do not have the SPX to worry about on the weekend. So Bitcoin, this is a 4-hour chart been watching. So what you had here is Bitcoin put in this bottom, right? You had this bear trap right here. All the bears got trapped. But the concern is the price action ran into this level multiple times and it's getting close to the same level that's caused breakdowns. And so, you know, will you see this slowly trend lower? I've got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. This person learning the money flows really well over the last year. And that's what we're good at. So close to 7 figures, no need to work anymore. And that's the goal. That's where we're trying to get to. This person, every day I wake up, I want to say thank you. She started with 5 digits, I think 40,000. Then she got to 6 digits, then 7 digits in the millions. And now she's shooting for $10 million. Bang. This person, $64,000 made in 3 months on Kucoin gem picks. Like, this gem pick city is going to get crazy, about to heat up. So I posted ARX today, ARX on Kucoin. Posted it, and about 4 seconds later, it was 21% banger. Huge. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. O's traded this up 30% in 2 days. This is near. I posted this right before Christmas, up 120%. Then this news came out, so I want to cover this idea with you. The Near protocol, they raised $150 million in funding from investors, including 3 Arrows Capital, Alameda Research, remember this name, Andreessen Horowitz, right? So Near is now skyrocketing. So Near, a lot of people think DeFi is going to be hot soon. And so these top crypto investors, Alameda Research, remember Sam Bankman-Fried, who's a billionaire in crypto, Dragonfly Capital, like, you have a lot of big names funding this project, and Near has tremendous amount of upside based on this idea. FTX, which, remember, Sam Bankman-Fried, Alameda Research, he also is the billionaire owner, CEO. He started FTX Exchange. Their ticker, their coin, the coin for the exchange, like Binance has BNB, Kucoin has KCS, FTX has FTT. So they announced a $2 billion venture capital launch pad fund. telling you, there's so much money in this market. Sam Bankman-Fried is he's super young and he's a billionaire, right? Because of crypto, and super successful. So you watch his moves. But the point is, FTT has the post of the setups has been slowly climbing higher, but this has been a strong coin. This fund is going to focus on crypto gaming companies, and they also want to focus on insurance and security products for crypto. Both are going to see a huge parabolic run. Think about it. Like, everybody's going to need security. Insurance has to happen in this space to bring more people in. And gaming, crypto and gaming go hand in hand. Well, Icon came out and they announced they've got $200 million that they're committing to their interoperability incentive fund. So the most important part about crypto is that they can work with each other, right? They're interoperable, right? So the cross-chain use cases, right? And so keep an eye on ICX, FTT, NEAR. These are coins where if you do get Bitcoin pullbacks, the stronger coins could see nice bounces. Ethereum USDT. So we talked about this bounce idea previously, and Ethereum's making another run to the upside. So the question is, can the Ethereum bulls break this level and then things change? Because right now, this low right here, high, this is a higher low. This is still a bullish idea, right? This could still maintain the uptrend. If it doesn't and it rolls over, you got support down in this area. So pay attention to what Ethereum's doing. S&P 500 index. And again, I started covering this because it's very relevant with every move of Bitcoin. And I said, hey, you know what? This thing could just roll over, and Bitcoin could too. And then we want a double bottom bounce, and essentially Bitcoin would just follow it. And it did exactly that, rolled over, double bottom bounce, right? Just like this double bottom back here. So if this opens on Monday and essentially moves higher, continues higher, you'll see some upside out of Bitcoin. It has been a relevant and valid idea, and you have to assume that it continues until it doesn't. Bitcoin dominance. So what you don't want to see for the altcoins. So altcoin dominance is the inverse of this. So what does this mean? Bitcoin dominance is at 39%. That means if you added up every single coin in crypto, right? The market cap of Bitcoin makes up 39% of the entire market cap of crypto, right? So what this means is when this is dropping, it means altcoin dominance, altcoin growth is increasing. So what you don't want to see is a double bottom reversal idea here. If this happens, you could see altcoins take a hit. And sometimes when you get major reversals, especially on double bottoms, altcoins take a hit on this idea. So be cautious if you're in altcoins right now. I just like the content that I provide on a daily basis. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.